Welcome, Salman. Thank you for being here. In 30 seconds, introduce yourself and tell me who you are and what you do.
Okay, my name is Salman Ashrafi, and I have 19 years of experience in the IT industry. Currently working as a senior manager for a company called Data Direct Networks into the storage domain. All my experience has been towards technical customer support and 8 years into senior management.
So tell me, career-wise, aspirationally, what would you like to see yourself doing 1 year down the line?
So right now, with the experience which I have, I think I'm in something called as a mid-year crisis, where I feel I'm stagnated at my position where I am, and I would like to accelerate my growth and move into higher designation, higher leadership positions 1 year down the line.
Okay, so you're looking at career growth?
Yes.
Okay, great. So also, tell me two aspects as to why did you choose EMBA with IPL?
One of the main reasons for choosing this was, I think this is the only place which I found with my research where there are classroom trainings available, right? Most of the other things where I researched were either pre-recorded sessions or online sessions, and that did not resonate well with me. I would like to be in that environment to get that knowledge out. And another thing was, what I've researched about this is more on the product labs, which is called, where you actually have an experiential journey, because this is something where I'm shifting my focus from customer support to product management, and I would not just like to learn from recorded lectures or classroom sessions, but actually go through the journey of how a product goes through. Correct. And those are the two basic reasons why I chose.